Jonas here on the road and currently updating you on Bitcoin's daily chart. I'm on the Coinbase exchange here. Very tight range here in the body, wick on the top, whip on the bottom. We did find support when we barely broke through our EMA 12. We have been rejecting on our EMA 26 as well as our middle Bollinger. And ideally for the bulls, we want to put in a higher low than yesterday's closing candle. If we do not put in a higher low, we can definitely put another retest of our EMA 12 to see if it actually can hold on support. Also note our much lower volume profile as basically yesterday's big move still kind of plays out with a lot of sideways action here. Now looking here at our RSI, we are clearly putting in some sort of a descending wedge here where we're putting in these lower highs and lower lows, and we are currently basically retesting that upper resistance line of our wedge. We basically got rejected here, found support down here. Once again, we're retesting that, and only with a break, a hold, and a retest of this line would this line then become support, and actually a little more bullish intention can be created. Continued rejection on this line, we can definitely retest these lower areas on a bear break. Looking here at our stochastics as well, we're still putting in lower highs and lower lows as we trend continues through October here. Our leading indicator is currently topping off in terms of this pattern, waiting for the trailing eighter to catch up. And looking here at our MACD, basically we can see that we are holding this tight equilibrium here of a lower high, higher low pattern. This slight bullish move here has at least stopped the bleeding of our leading indicator here. However, we are still putting on negative histograms and still have a little bit room to go bearishly for this to reset one more time and try and retest this upper key resistance area. We're also seeing a rejection here at our zero line on our chalk and money flow currently. So a lot of that money that came into the market yesterday basically got sucked out pretty quickly here. So we're kind of keep an eye on this basically through the day and see how we close here on low to moderate volume. You know, yesterday's big tether dump to Bitcoin pump really had this long wick here that kind of stressed us out, that makes us think that this move does not have a lot more left in it. The rejection of our upper BB and current rejection of our middle BB. Keep you posted.